For millennia, humanity has looked to nature for inspiration. From the vast oceans to the towering mountains, every corner of the natural world offers a lesson in innovation and resilience. Nature's designs are not just beautiful, they are functional, efficient, and sustainable. The awe-inspiring flight of birds, with their effortless glides and precise maneuvers, has led to advancements in aviation technology. Engineers study the wing structures and flight patterns to develop more efficient aircraft. The intricate patterns of seashells formed over millions of years inspire architects and designers to create structures that are both strong and aesthetically pleasing. These natural forms are a testament to the power of evolutionary design, and the resilient strength of trees, which can withstand the harshest of storms, teaches us about durability and adaptability. Their deep roots and flexible trunks are models for building structures that can endure natural disasters. Beyond their aesthetic beauty, these natural wonders hold secrets to solving some of humanity's most pressing challenges. From climate change to sustainable living, nature offers blueprints for solutions that are both innovative and practical. Nature, after all, has had billions of years to perfect its designs through the relentless process of evolution. Each adaptation, each change is a step towards greater efficiency and harmony with the environment. Today, a new field of engineering is emerging, one that seeks to emulate nature's genius to create groundbreaking technologies. This field is biomimicry. By studying the principles behind natural designs, scientists and engineers are developing innovations that could transform our world. Biomimicry is more than simply copying nature's forms. It's about understanding the underlying principles that govern these designs. It's about delving deep into the mechanics of how nature solves problems and applying those principles to human challenges. It's about learning from nature's efficiency, its sustainability, and its remarkable ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity. By observing how ecosystems function, we can develop systems that are more resilient and sustainable. By embracing nature as our mentor, we unlock a treasure trove of innovation, paving the way for a more sustainable and harmonious future. Imagine technologies that work in harmony with the environment rather than against it. Imagine a world where buildings purify the air like forests, using natural processes to filter pollutants and produce oxygen. These green structures could transform urban landscapes into thriving ecosystems, where cars glide through traffic with the agility of cheetahs, designed to be both fast and energy efficient. These vehicles could revolutionize transportation, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, and where materials self-heal like living tissue, extending the lifespan of products and reducing waste. This could lead to a new era of sustainable manufacturing. This is the promise of biomimicry, a field poised to revolutionize engineering and redefine our relationship with the natural world. By looking to nature, we can find solutions that are not only innovative but also sustainable, ensuring a brighter future for generations to come. Biomimicry, at its core, is the practice of learning from and emulating nature's time-tested designs and strategies. It involves observing the intricate details of natural phenomena and understanding the principles behind their efficiency and resilience. It's a conscious effort to shift from a human-centric view of the world to one that recognizes the inherent wisdom of nature. By studying the way ecosystems function, we can uncover solutions to some of our most pressing challenges, from sustainable agriculture to renewable energy. Instead of viewing nature as a resource to be exploited, biomimicry sees it as a source of inspiration, a model for sustainable living, and a mentor for innovation. This paradigm shift encourages us to look at the natural world not just for what we can take from it, but for what we can learn from it. The practice of drawing inspiration from nature is not new. Ancient civilizations often looked to the natural world for guidance, whether in the design of their tools, the construction of their buildings, or the development of their technologies. For centuries, humans have observed animals and plants to develop tools, shelter, and transportation. Indigenous cultures in particular have long understood the value of living in harmony with nature, using its resources wisely and respectfully. Early examples of biomimicry include the study of bird flight to design flying machines. Leonardo da Vinci, for instance, meticulously studied the anatomy of birds to conceptualize his flying machines, laying the groundwork for modern aeronautics, and the observation of fish to improve boat hulls. By mimicking the streamlined shapes of fish, early boat builders were able to create vessels that moved more efficiently through water. However, it is only in recent decades that biomimicry has emerged as a formal discipline, driven by advances in our understanding of biology, materials science, and engineering. This interdisciplinary approach has opened up new possibilities for innovation, allowing us to create technologies that are not only effective but also sustainable. Today, biomimicry is more than just mimicking nature's forms. It's about delving into the underlying mechanisms and processes that make these designs so successful. By understanding the principles that govern natural systems, we can develop solutions that are both innovative and environmentally friendly. It's about delving into the underlying mechanisms and processes that make these designs so successful. For instance, the study of insect exoskeletons has led to the development of stronger, lighter materials for use in everything from construction to medical devices. It's about asking questions like, how do birds achieve lift with such minimal energy expenditure? By studying the aerodynamics of bird flight, engineers have been able to design more efficient aircraft wings, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. How do lotus leaves remain pristine despite growing in muddy environments? The unique structure of lotus leaves has inspired the creation of self-cleaning surfaces, which have applications in everything from building materials to medical devices. How do spider webs exhibit remarkable strength despite their delicate appearance? The study of spider silk has led to the development of new materials that are incredibly strong yet lightweight, with potential uses in everything from textiles to aerospace engineering. Nature is a master of efficiency. It has perfected the art of resource management over billions of years, creating systems that are both resilient and sustainable. Over billions of years, natural selection has favored organisms and systems that optimize resource use. This relentless drive for efficiency has led to the development of intricate ecosystems where every component plays a crucial role. Every joule of energy, every drop of water, and every atom of matter is utilized with remarkable precision. In nature, nothing goes to waste. Everything is recycled and repurposed in a continuous cycle of life. This inherent efficiency is a testament to nature's elegance and a valuable lesson for engineers seeking to create sustainable technologies. By mimicking these natural processes, we can develop solutions that are not only effective but also harmonious with our environment. One striking example of nature's efficiency is found in the design of bird wings. Birds have evolved over millions of years to achieve lift with minimal energy expenditure, showcasing a perfect balance between form and function. Birds have evolved over millions of years to achieve lift with minimal energy expenditure. Their wings are not just tools for flight, but masterpieces of aerodynamic engineering. Their wings are perfectly shaped to manipulate airflow, generating lift while minimizing drag. This allows them to soar effortlessly, conserving energy for other vital activities like hunting and migration. Engineers have long been inspired by bird flight, using these principles to design more fuel-efficient aircraft. By studying the nuances of bird wing structure and movement, they have been able to create planes that use less fuel and produce fewer emissions. Beyond flight, nature offers countless examples of energy efficiency. From the way bees pollinate flowers to the streamlined bodies of fish, every aspect of the natural world is a lesson in optimal design. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, is a marvel of energy conversion efficiency. Plants have developed sophisticated mechanisms to capture and utilize sunlight, turning it into the fuel they need to grow and thrive. The human circulatory system, with its intricate network of blood vessels, delivers oxygen and nutrients to cells with remarkable precision, minimizing energy waste. This system ensures that every cell receives exactly what it needs to function optimally. By studying these natural systems, engineers can glean insights into designing more efficient energy systems, from solar panels to transportation networks. Emulating nature's time-tested strategies can lead to innovations that are both sustainable and efficient, paving the way for a greener future. Section 4: Sustainability, embracing nature's circularity. In the natural world, there is no such thing as waste. Every byproduct of a biological process is recycled and repurposed, creating a closed-loop system that is inherently sustainable. This concept, known as cradle-to-cradle design, stands in stark contrast to the linear take-make-dispose model that characterizes much of modern industrial production. Consider the humble forest floor. Fallen leaves, branches, and animal remains are not seen as waste products, but as valuable nutrients that enrich the soil. Decomposers break down this organic matter, releasing nutrients that are taken up by plants, fueling new growth. This cyclical flow of materials ensures that resources are used and reused, minimizing waste and pollution. Biomimicry challenges us to rethink our approach to manufacturing and resource management. By emulating nature's closed-loop systems, we can move towards a circular economy where waste is minimized and resources are used more efficiently. This shift requires a fundamental change in perspective, from viewing waste as a problem to seeing it as a valuable resource. Section 5. Adaptability and resilience. Nature's dynamic designs. Nature is not static, it's a dynamic system in constant flux. Organisms and ecosystems are constantly adapting to changing environmental conditions, from subtle shifts in temperature to catastrophic natural disasters. This inherent adaptability and resilience is a testament to the power of natural selection and a valuable lesson for engineers seeking to create robust and adaptable technologies. One striking example of nature's adaptability is found in the chameleon's ability to change color. This remarkable feat is achieved through specialized cells called chromatophores that contain pigments. By adjusting the distribution of these pigments, chameleons can camouflage themselves, regulate their body temperature, and even communicate with each other. Beyond camouflage, nature offers countless examples of resilience. Bones, for example, are incredibly strong and durable, yet lightweight and capable of self-repair. Spider webs can withstand hurricane-force winds despite their delicate appearance. By studying these natural systems, engineers can glean insights into designing more robust and